The tough economy has been hard on shoppers' wallets, forcing many to seek out creative ways to score deals on needed items. One strategy is stocking up on everything from cookware to clothing at outlet malls, where discounted brand name goods are the big draw. But before making the trek to your nearest outlet mall, make sure what you're getting is worth it. First, never assume you're getting the lowest prices possible. When prepping for a trip, be sure to check out the mall's website a couple days in advance for online exclusive offers or printable coupons. You'll be able to get extra money off in addition to the already marked down prices. Next, contact your targeted stores ahead of your shopping spree. Remember, outlet malls operate on a first-come, first-served basis. So, if you're going to invest all that gas money to go bargain shop, be sure to call ahead to find out when their latest shipments arrive. Once you have that information, plan to shop as early as possible on that day to get first dibs at hot-ticket items. Third, strategize to help get the most bang for your buck. If you're looking to stock up on discounted items for next fall or winter, such as coats and sweaters, plan to visit an outlet mall during the spring. That's when out-of-season merchandise will likely be on sale. Shoppers who frequently visit outlet malls have this tactic down pat. To learn more about how to find deals at outlet malls, visit Kiplinger.com and search outlet malls.